Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about Patreon, and specifically we are relaunching the channel back on Patreon. And the reason I say relaunch is I did try it last year, however it didn't really work out, and it was totally my fault because I didn't really put enough time and effort into it. However, one of my big plans for 2019 was to launch it again, and we've done that this week. So if you would like to support the channel via Patreon, you can now do it. You can check us out at patreon.com/madrc, and I will put a link to that in the description of this video. And as you can see here on the homepage, we've got a little post just to say what we are and who we are. There is also a new post to say hello, I'm back, and it just says that our goal is to continue to build the channel, so please do go check that out. Now, we've set up a number of tier levels, and the basic channel supporter at $2 a month. Now, before I get into this a bit, I appreciate everything you guys do to support the channel. To be completely honest, right, everything on this channel I mostly pay for myself. However, we are all material girls in a material world, and the reality is, for me to keep being able to buy products, I need to be able to purchase them. And whilst we do get supported by some really good vendors, and you're going to see a lot more from those guys this year as well, and some exciting stuff around the Pixhawk, it is only with your support am I able to keep buying the products, to be able to keep showing them to you guys. So if you would like to support us via Patreon, the options are there. We've started a basic channel supporter at $2 a month, and with that you'll basically know that you're helping the channel and helping us to keep buying equipment to be able to talk to you guys about. I've created a $5 supporter, which is a highlighted supporter, and that is someone who will get all the usual support and info, as well as getting specifically mentioned. And we actually have one of them already because someone beat me to it, and that is superbikesurgery.tv. They've pledged $5 a month, and look, I just want to thank you for doing that because I really do appreciate it. You've then got the premium supporter at $10 and $20, and that's the same stuff as you get on the 5. Now, I'm going to be expanding this as well in the future, and I'm going to be providing some specific content on Patreon as well. It's not there today, and it's going to take me a little bit of time to do that. However, I am going to do that as well for the guys who do the highlighted supporter and the premium supporters as well. So hopefully it's going to be an area, if you guys want to get more from me in the channel, hopefully I'll be able to provide that to you guys. Now, as I've said at the start, with all YouTube channels and with all things, everything I do is based around the drones and trying to show you guys information that you don't get anywhere else. We're going to continue that in 2019. We're going to do more of it. I'm extremely excited because we've got some new stuff coming this week. I'm going to be showing you the HearLink system in my hands this week with the Pixhawk 2.1, and I'm also going to be doing a whole host of new videos on the Pixhawk 2.1 as well. Stuff I've wanted to do for a long time, and with the support you guys have been giving me this year, it means I'm now able to do it. We're still going to keep up with the DJI stuff as well, and keep up with what happens with that, but we're just going to try and expand and push it into new areas that we haven't done before. We're also going to be taking a look at some stuff from Yuneec as well. That is it for this video. Again, I really appreciate the support everyone does, whether it is supporting through Patreon, whether it's supporting through the links in the videos, or just watching the videos. I want to thank you all. Please do subscribe to the channel if you don't already. Please do go check it out, and I will be doing some new videos very, very soon.